Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to quickly rearrange information in your spreadsheet, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you just how simple it is to swap two rows in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing a project plan, cleaning up your data, or just want things in a better order, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to move those rows around like a pro. Let's dive right in and get your sheet sorted out in just a few clicks. Alright, the very first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Sheet and find the two rows that you want to swap. Now make sure you're clicking right on the row number itself. You'll see these down the left-hand side of your sheet in that gray column. For example, if you want to swap row 3 and row 6, simply click directly on the number 3 for the first row, and then do the same for the second row you want to swap. Clicking the row number rather than a single cell means you'll select the entire row, not just a portion of your data. This is really important because it ensures nothing gets left behind or misaligned when you make the move. If you're working with a larger or more complex sheet, you might want to double-check that you've selected the right rows before you go any further. It only takes a second, and it can save you from accidental mix-ups. Now, once you've got the row highlighted, here's the trick. Take your mouse, click and hold on that row number, don't let go. Begin to drag the row up or down depending on where you want it to go. You'll notice a little dark line appears as you move, showing you exactly where the row will drop. For example, if you're moving row 6 up above row 3, just drag it until that dark line is right where you want the swap to happen. It's a bit like reorganizing a stack of cards. Just slide one row up into the gap where you want it. If your sheet is a bit long and you can't quite see both rows at once, don't worry. You can use the mouse scroll wheel or even use the keyboard's arrow keys to help you navigate as you're dragging. It's totally fine if it feels a bit tricky at first. The more you do it, the more intuitive it gets. If you accidentally let go too early, just click undo and you can try again. No harm done, that's the beauty of Google Sheets. Once you've found the right spot, simply let go of the mouse button and Google Sheets will instantly drop the row into place. The rest of your rows will shift accordingly, making space for your new arrangement. And that's literally it. You've just swapped your rows with a simple drag and drop. No copy-pasting, no complicated tools or formulas, just a quick and easy fix right inside your sheet. So the next time you need to reorganize your data, remember how straightforward this is. Just click drag and drop and your sheet will be exactly how you want it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment down below. I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy Google Sheets tips right here every week. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.